What is UIM?
UIM insurance, also known as underinsured motorist coverage, is a type of insurance coverage that protects you or your family members if the other driver has the minimal amount of insurance or less insurance than you have. So let's take an example. Let's say you have $100,000 worth of liability coverage and also $100,000 worth of underinsured motorist coverage. And the car that caused your injuries had only $15,000 worth of insurance. Your insurance policy would then stand in the shoes of the other driver and add potentially up to $85,000 worth of extra coverage. Now, your liability coverage and UIM coverage may be different. Whenever you renew your insurance policy, make sure your underinsured motorist coverage at least equals the amount of liability coverage that you provide for the benefit of others.